Bob, what?
Honestly, sometimes you
What,
honestly
Baba?
make me crazy.
Why do I make you crazy? Because I'm a clean, I'm not a clean freak.
No, you start
I'm a
to be
perfectionist.
You start to be freak clean.
No, that's not true, Baba.
Come on.
It's not true. It really isn't true.
Okay, if you say.
Believe
so.
me, I will tell you.
But you are not unusual, like.
You mean I'm not
Outtake.
like normal people?
Yes.
In that, in regards to being clean?
Yes.
Well, you know, that's why I never got sick in South America. I never got sick
why?
in Africa. I never got sick here on stuff.
That's great.
Never got sick
Come on.
anywhere.
Let this take out.
Okay?